Okay, welcome po ngayon para sa ating final game for the day. The clad in dark po yan or black po is the Team Mechanicos, the Mechanics. And of course, yan naman po, clad po ng gold po or golden brown po yan. Rojo outfit po, that's Team CAS. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly Dub sa Flying League. Final game po tayo yun, Team CAS versus the Mechanicos. Okay, yan po si Bautista, nandyan din. Si number 22, nandyan din. Si Aris, nandyan din. Siyempre, si number 4, nandyan. At si number 3. Sa kabila naman, of course, Felipe nandyan. Si number 26, si Baklaan, nandyan din. Si number 35 at si number 5, si Walter. First quarter start. O, pakicheck lang po ating mga. And nakuha Nino, nakuha number 5. Number 5, walang pinasahan almost. O, Baklaan. Number 5, Castro, no good. Rebound battle by number 2, Palpal. Number 4, Baklaan now to Palmares. Now to Walter, pops up, no good. Rebound Sila. Foul. Baklaan called for the foul. 9 minutes 30 remaining. First quarter action pa lang po yan, mga boss. And now kay Mr. number 3. That's Silva. Silva yun eh. Silva. Side step, no good. And same ball, sabi ni referee. Same ball daw, sabi ni referee. And si Marlon. Number 4, Lumbawag, no good. Rebound battle won by Bautista. Power move, 2 points. Bautista, 2 points. The score is 2-0. Felipe for 3, no good. Bautista naka-rebound. Bautista nagmamadali. And Nato Silva. 2 points, Silva, 2 points. Castro against 3 shirts. No good. One more time. Castro. Huy! Double dribble po para kay Mr. Castro. And now to Silva. And now to Lumawag. Palpal pa. Pero may foul. Lumawag shooting for 2. Number 4, Lumawag. 2 shots given. The score is 4-0. 4-0 po tayo. But no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo para kami sa Lumawag. Bukay yata may ginawa to kanina. Second shot. Pops up. Yes, sir. 2 points. 8:05 remaining. Baklaan. Malakas ang pasa kay Felipe. Wala. Bautista for the inbound. Silva po tayo. And now, nice interception. Still, Lumawag to sa Aris. Sila. Bautista taking 3. Ayaw niyo muna. Driving, slicing, passing. Sila. Traveling violation, tinawag kay Sila. Sila called for the travel. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola. To Baklaan again from Walter. Nakunin, intercepted. Bautista. And one play pa ang ginawa. Bautista, 2 points plus possible free throw. Bautista, 2 points plus possible point from the play. Jumpers ready. Bautista. Firing. It's in. 8-0. After 3 minutes of the game, still scoreless pa rin po ang Team Mechanicos. Walter, thinking 3. Wag muna. Baklaan. Palmares kay Walter. Pops up. 2 points, Walter. Walter got the bounce already. 2 points. Silva. Silva nagmamadali. Silva. And now Bautista. Lumawag. 2 points lumawag. Nakuha ni Silva ang bola. Silva driving, slicing, and blocked by Mr. And now to Walter from Felipe. 2 points Walter. Okay, back-to-back field goals now by Mr. Walter. Walter, back-to-back field goals. Nakuha ni Walter ang bola. Foul called. Silva. Walter, nice hustle play by Mr. Walter. 6 minutes, 6 remaining. Baklaan, buhal. Walter again, pops up, firing. Nope, it's Silva. Silva. Huy! Foul, 35. Blocking foul. 35, blocking foul. Silva, inbounding. 22. Bautista for 3. Bang! 3 points Bautista. Bautista 3 points. And now take Felipe. 10-4. Felipe. Nice one pag number 35. Malakas ang bounce. Bautista. Foul. Blocking foul called. Number 26 called for the block. Okay, palit player muna po tayo. Palit player. Okay, sa kabila po, number 5 si Omas, si Matias nandiyan, si 2023, si 41, at si number 24, remain si Bautista. Kabila naman si Talisik pinasok at si Colanto. Pinilitan si Baklan at si number 35 naman ng Mechanicos. Retained yung iba. Bautista shooting for 2. Bautista shooting for 2 po tayo. First shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. 14-4 ang score. Okay, sinunod ngayon dito. Okay, Christian Torino Mendoza is watching. And it's out of bounds. Balakas ang pasa kay Mr. Walter. Okay, Umas, nandiyan din pala sa loob ng sa game na to. Si Dennis Roldan, nandiyan din. Roldan, number 1, take okay, Umas. Roldan, Umas. Number 41, dukot sa ilalim, walang pinasahan. 12 seconds remaining, shot clock. Roldan, inbounding. Roldan, Umas, dalawa sila. Ayun sa ilalim, 2 points. 41, 2 points. 41, 2 points. Talisik. 26, Palmares. Walang pinasahan si Palmares. Again, 4 minutes remaining, 16-4 score po natin. Matias driving strong. 41. Pinasa 26 pops up. No good. Colanto naka-rebound. And now kay Talisik ang bola. Talisik. Baklaan. Pass kay Walter. Kapos. One more time. 2 points. Walter. 2 points. Stripped away by Palmares. Now again, Walter again. 2 points again, Walter. Back to back back-to-back field goals na Mr. Walter. Mr. Roldan. Roldan, swipe away, Fernand si Matayas. No good. Rebound, battle won by number 21, by number 28. And now 41. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound won. Colanto. 3 on 2. 2 on 2. Baklaan. Baklaan. Pinasay Colanto. Colanto. Malakas. One more time. Colanto. Colanto. 2 points. Colanto. Colanto. 2 points. 2 minutes 23 remaining. Grace and Cas. Matayas, 2 points. Yung kanilang pamatay sunog, nandiyan na naman pala. Si Boy Spartan. Si Matayas. Nonong Rivera, nanonood din po. Si Mr. Selga. Rocomora, sir. Good evening po sa'yo, sir. And Nandos Talisik. Pops up. Walter Kapos. Talisik. Naku, malakas. Palmares. Palmares, pops up. No good. Colanto. 2 points, Colanto. Old school. Wow, old school. 1 minute 42 remaining. 1 minute and 37 remaining. Tumama sa ring. And it's out of bounds. 18-12 ang score po natin. 18-12 ang score. Walter. Binato na. Nandun, intercepted ni Matayas. Matayas. Foul! Ouch. Penalty situation. Team Mechanicos. Matayas called for the foul. Matayas for the free throws. Walter po. Matayas again, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up, Kapos. Nandun si Palmares. Driving. Palmares to Baklaan for 2. No good. Again, tapping batter. Baklaan nandun. Nice one by Baklaan. Palmares. Baklaan. Wala pa rin. Rebound battle won by same ball. Nope. It's golden ball. Roldan, nagmamadali. 41 sa ilalim. Binayungan, no good. Matayas, Kapos. Rebound, Baklaan. Talisik. Walter, nagmamali si Walter. Colanto, old school, and Palmares. Fadeaway shot, malakas. Eric Grama is watching also. Nanggabisin po lahat. Okay, nag-time out muna po ang Team Mechanicos. 15 seconds remaining, 19-12 ang score. Laman po ng 7 ang team, of course, ang CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Joanna Selga Rocomar is watching, yes. Okay. Yan po. Okay, tuloy. Baklaan, almost lost the ball. Baklaan, sizable, Talisik. Colanto, Kapos, and that's it. Okay. 3 seconds remaining. Shot clock violation lang. Shot clock violation. And now, ayan, Roldan. No good. Sayang. Okay, after first quarter, the score is 19-12. Laman po ng 7 ang team Alam natin yan, Team CAS. Team CAS, lamang po, 7, 19-12. Second quarter coming up. Pampira ka ako po pa lang ito. Kasi, pa natin ito. Okay, second quarter action start. Okay, si number 22, si Bautista, si Silva, si number 2, si Sila, at si Sulumawag. Para sa CAS, sa kabila naman po, of course, si Colanto, si Felipe, si Talisik, si Palmares, at si number 35. Marlon for the inbound to Silva. Okay, second quarter start on the way already. Nice interception by Felipe. Felipe, binababa ang bola. Felipe, nagbe-big guard position muna ngayon. Felipe driving strong. Castro. Palmares. Thinking 3. Pops up. No good. Ayun, si Colanto. Floater shot. Si Felipe pala, malakas naman. Ibang barrel, pero tumapak na sa linya yata. Kanina rep. Black ball. Sabi, black ball daw. Black ball now. Talim, nice one, pero hindi pa rin bumubra. Again, nagmamadali. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola. Felipe. Ayun. Castro, no good. Kapos. Bautista, nagmamadali. Bautista, foul called. Foul on Castro. 35, third personal foul. Marlon to Bautista. Double team. Power move. Naipit. Ayun, kay Lumawag, 2 points. 2 points. 21-12. Lamang po ng siyam ang Team CAS. Team CAS lamang po. And now, pops number 3. No good. Ayun, si Felipe. 2 points, Felipe, 2 points. Again, Silva. Binababa ang bola. Malakas ang pasa kay Bautista. Foul! And one play pa. Foul, Palmares, and one play, Bautista shooting for the bonus free throw. 7 minutes, 7 remaining, second quarter action. Comment na po kayo dyan, mga boss. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Babasahin po natin yan. Okay, Bautista pops up. Wow! Pasok ang bola. Nothing but net. Talisik from Felipe. Patay ni Ace dito ah. Talisik. Pops up. Nope. Palmares. Power move. Palmares fadeaway shot. No good. Silva. Nanakawan. And one play made by Castro. 2 points from Sila. Aris. Called for the foul. Castro. Bonus free throw coming up. 24-16 na score po natin. Lamang na 8 ang CAS. Castro. Bonus free throw. Pops up. Nope. Rebound ni Lumawag. Kick kay Sila. Silva. Malakas. Apat na yan. Foul on Castro. 4 personal fouls. Warning for graduate. Silva, first shot, no good. Second throw, jumper's ready. Silva, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Silva. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Nothing but net. 6 minutes 30 remaining. 24-16. Uy, may comment. Talisik. No good. Felipe. Power rebound. Power move. 2 points, Felipe. Plus bonus free throw. Felipe, bonus free throw coming up. Jebs Armado, nanonood din po. Si Boss Eric, nanonood din po. No good. Bautista. Power move. Wala. Rebound battle won by Castro. Castro. Binabantayan. Marlon called for the foul. Hand check foul. Okay, ito po tayong yun. Talisik again. Palmares for 3. Nope. Nice rebound by number 4. Nando si Talisik. Castro. Colanto. Foul. Old school Pinoy, grabe. Colanto shooting for 2. Old school pang 50s. Colanto first shot. Nope. Second throw jumpers ready for team Mechanicos. 5 minutes 22 remaining. 25-18 na score po natin ngayon. Colanto pops up. Wala. Nando si Palmares. Nope. Again from the field. Foul number 2, Aris. Felipe shooting for 2. Felipe per shot. Pops up. It's out. Second free throws. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's out pareho. Lumbawang naka-rebound. Bautista nagmamali. Bautista on the run. Ayun kay Silva. Pinapayungan. Kick out muna kay number 22. Wala. Tap out. 2 points. 2 points Bautista. And palit player tayo. Po tayo. This time na si Baklaan, si Walter papasok na para kay Colanto and malamang kay Castro. Sino? Hindi. Castro is nursing now for 4 fouls. Tama, Castro. Lalabas ka muna. 4 personal fouls ka na, Castro. Okay, now second quarter pa lang po ito. Now this time, Baklaan. 4 minutes 50 remaining. Baklaan. Nice shot by Talisik. Francis Munoz is watching. Ganda gabi siya, sir. Yung stakeholder ng Airport United, nandiyan din nanonood ngayon. Monegay Scout yata. Pops up, 41. Malakas ang pass. Ang tira. Walang pinasahan. Dinawakan yata. 4 minutes 9 remaining. Second quarter action. 27-20, lamang lang pito ang Team Cas. Team Cas naman ang pito. Eto na. Omas, nakakuha ng bola. Balakas. Baseball pass again kay Walter. Walter! No good! And now, Mr. Matayas. Nag-sidestep. Ayan, kay Roldan. Roldan, nakawala. Flat floater, no good. Palmares to Walter. Felipe, foul! 26, Cas. Number 26 called for the foul. Who's foul rep? 26, it's good. Felipe shooting for 2. That's Balbin. Felipe, first shot, pops up. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Felipe, second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound di Balbin. Now to Roldan. Nagmamadali. Roldan. Now to Matayas. 2 points, Matayas. Yung kanilang shooter sa side, sa wings. Wala yung kanyang partner, si Ponchero. Mukhang naka-duty yata. Talisik. Binabata ni Matayas for 3. Nope. Rebound ng number 41. Now to Roldan. Nagmamada naman si Roldan. Balbin. Fadeaway shot. Kapos. And now to Baklaan. Touch pass. So Baklaan. 2 points. 2 points Baklaan. Walter almost had the ball. Fadeaway shot. 2 points again by Matayas. 3 minutes remaining. Walter for 3. No good. And to Balbin. Roldan, humingi ng bola. Roldan, nagmamadali. Ayan, kay Matayas naman. Nope. Nagmimintis din palang batang yan. Kala ko hindi. Okay, now to Talisik. Felipe. Palmares. Baklaan again. Side shot. 2 points Baklaan. Hindi ko na ano. Talisik. Roldan. Good ball. Black ball. Balik po sa black ang bola. 31-24. Lamang ng 7 ang Team Cas. Baklaan. Talisik. Felipe. Tap out ni Mr. Balbin. 2 minutes 14 remaining. Felipe. Talisik. It's out. Rebound ni Palmares. Nope. Felipe. No good. Palmares. Wala pa rin. Balbin. Hoy! Who's ball rep? Black ball. Sabi ng referee, black ball. Black ball po, sabi ng referee, black ball po. Black ball po tayo. Nice steal by Roldan. Okay, steal completed. And Matayas, 2 points. 2 points. 2 points po ni Matayas. And Walter, a minute and 32 remaining. Talisik. Palmares, pop shot, no good. But it's inside. Nice shot by Palmares. It's good. Tap po ni Walter. Still completed. Almost had the ball. Lumabas lang, palabas ng playing court. Again now to Omas. And to Matayas driving strong. Nakuha. Almost. Matayas for 3. No good. Palmares sa rebound. Palmares again. Palmares po ka Palmares. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound battle won by Palmares. Traveling violation called on Felipe. Tough break para kay Felipe. 11 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Roldan, power move, palpal. And that's it. Okay, after sec 2 quarters, laman po ng siyam. Nope. Yeah, laman po ng siyam po ang Team CAS 33-26. Magbabalik po tayo after 5 minutes po. Halftime po tayo yun. This is the last ball game already for the day sa ating Aviation Friendly League, sa Flying League. And tomorrow po, meron po tayong laro po from, of course, announce po natin para bumubukas. Lupat na ako? Di pa. Bukas po, meron po tayong laro from, of course, Airport United versus Contact Center. And last game po is QR Towers and General Aviation Services. Okay, third quarter action. Start. Bola po ng Mecanicos. Parmanes for the inbound. Nakapasok na rin po si Castro, nursing 4 personal fouls. Baclaad and Felipe and si Colanto. Baclaan. Palmares for 3. No good. Silva. Sila naka-rebound. Bautista, nagmamadali. Bautista again. Bautista, turnaround shot. No good. Okay, meron siyang second chance for points. It's in. Bautista, 2 points. 9 minutes 35 remaining. David Zora is also watching. Gabi possessor. Felipe, side step move. 2 points. Silva. Aris lost the ball. Same ball. Aris lost the ball. Same ball po tayo. Marlon. Bautista. Driving. Pinasa kay Silva. Land of the Giants. Nakuha ni Baclaan bola. Baclaan. Whoop! Foul! Marlon called for the foul. Nice hustle play kay ni Baclaan, number 4. Baclaan, number 4 to Colanto. Baclaan. Palmares driving strong. Baclaan again. Baclaan. Oy, it's a foul called. Who's foul rep? Number 4, lumawag. Tinawagan po ng foul. Lumawag, called for the foul. Colanto, Palmares. Colanto, walang pinasahan, sayang. Good ball. Hop. Golden ball. Cash ball. Bola po ng Cash. And now Silva, side step move. Walang lumawag, wala. Palmares, sa gamit mapasahan. Okay, pumunta muna po kay Felipe sa big man, big guard position. To Baclaan, 2 points Baclaan. 35-29, 35-30 rather. Lamang nila po ng 5 ang Cash at 6 minutes 30 remaining. Silva. Bautista. Pops up for 3. Bang! 3 points. Baclaan. Shake and fake. Castro. Palmares. Felipe. Thinking 3. Nope. Huwag muna raw. Palmares. Malakas. Lumawag na ka-rebound. Naiyo si Marlon mag-isa. Marlon. 3-on-1. Marlon. 2 points. And timeout called by Team Mecanicos. The score is 40-13 na naman at 5 minutes 37 remaining. Raymond Di Macolan is watching already. Magandang gabi po sa iyo, sir. This is your third game for tonight. Final game na po tayo ngayon for the day. And bukas babalik muli po tayo for another 2 basketball action. Same venue po tayo. First game po will be Airport United and Contact Center. And last game po is QR Towers versus, alam po natin yan, ang Team Gas. Back to the ball game. Mecanicos inbounding. 5 minutes 37 remaining. Castro, no good. Rebound battle won by Matayas and to Bautista. Bautista, no good. Ayun, si number 4. Wala rin. Bautista for 3. No good. Talisik, Walter. Nakuha ni Matayas. Intercepted by Matayas. Lumawag na walang bola kay Lumawag. Lost the ball. Foul. Nice hustle play ni Roldan. Felipe called for the foul. Roldan for the inbound. Uy! Foul! Castro, 5 personal foul. Graduate. Okay, Colanto, palit muna para kay Castro. Silva for 3. Dang! Nothing but net. Silva, 3 points. Nothing but net. Talisik. Felipe, double teamed. For 3. Nope. Out of bounds. Balik po muli po sa kasambola. 4 minutes remaining. Babagay. Okay. Sabi po rito ni Julius Babagay. Sir Martin, good evening. Gusaton kay Jurex Uruguay player of the game. Si Bautista. Walang yaka. Bautista, binabatikan niya ni Julius Babagay. Jurex Uruguay player of the game. And now, nice interception. Okay, still completed. 45-30 score po natin. Blown away na po ang game na to. Offensive foul called. Babagay. Jurex, durable player of the game. Ayun. Oh, idol ka daw niya. Ano pa? Sige, habang sige. Ano pa? Oh, idol ka daw niya, pre, kung magalala. Babagay, idol ka daw ni Bautista. 3 minutes 18 remaining. Third quarter action. The score is 45-38. Roldan, may tangan ng bola. Si Mr. Roldan. Walang anuman, pre. Okay. Uy! Offensive foul called. Ouch. Offensive foul called kay Roldan. Offensive foul called. Timeout called by Cas. Chill lang tayo, guys. Balik muna tayo sa mag-timeout ng Cas. Okay, sino po si Mr. Dwight is watching also. Brian Dwight is watching. Okay, nabati ko na si Jebs, nandyan din. Si Christian Torino Mendoza is watching also. Si Madam Joanna is watching also. Magandang gabi si Madam. Nonong Rivera is watching. Ano ba to? Troy Lomtong is watching. Okay, yan na po sila. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo ngayon. This time, Baclaan. Inbounding. 2 minutes 58 remaining third quarter action. Number 17, Talisik. May tangan ng bola. Felipe, humingi ng bola. Talisik for 3. Ayaw. Baclaan to Felipe. Ayun, sa ilalim. Walter, 2 points. Walter, 2 points. Nice D. Matayas. Roldan. And to Silva. Bautista for 3. Bang! Long bomb. Ika dati sa PBM, kung mapanood ng ano yan, ICBM ang tawag dyan. Okay. Again, Talisik, babawi. 3 points din Talisik. 3 points Talisik. Counter 3 po. Malakas ang pasa. Good ball. Walang tawag. Bautista again. Bang! Back-to-back field goal. Oh, para daw sa iyan, babagay. Para daw sa iyan. Oh, ano? Talisik na naman. Malakas. Rebound. Again, Felipe. Pops up si Matayas. No good. Again, one more time. Foul nga. Sabit si Bautista doon. Bautista called for the foul. And now si Mr. Talisik. Talisik to Mr. Baclaan. A minute and 34 remaining. 51-35 ang score. Baclaan to Talisik. Again, ito. Felipe. Baclaan. Walter sa side. No good. And Baclaan. Baclaan to Walter. To Felipe. 2 points Felipe. Baseball pass. Wag muna raw, sabi ni Roldan. And now si Mr. Lumawag. Siya muna nagmamando. And now si Silva. And nope. Same ball. 3 seconds to shoot. Ayun sa ilalim. 2 points. Talisik. 29 seconds remaining. Intercepted. And to Bautista for 3. Bang! Bautista is having a field day today. Mukhang maganda ang gising na Bautista. Kaya maganda sipat na ngayon. Talisik. Ilalim. Palpal. Talisik. Same ball. 2 seconds remaining. No good. And it's out. That's it for third quarter. Tapos na po. And coming up next is fourth and final quarter. This is your aviation friendly Davao sa Flying League. We're now down na po tayo sa ating last game for the day. Ito po ang Team Airport Mechanicals po, and of course Team CAS. And mamaya po or bukas, yan pong Airport United and Contact Center, and also ang GAS versus QR Towers. Number 7. Okay, Brian Dwight, score idol. Sir, ang score po natin is 56-37. 19 point po ang kalamangan po ng team ang CAS. Salamat po. sabi natin. Okay, dark ball. Dark ball. Back lang for the inbound. Back lang for the inbound. 10 minutes more. Final 10 minutes will start right now. Okay, ito na. Colanto. And na si Mr. Ano. And now, it's out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo yun. Out of bounds po tayo yun, Felipe. Felipe po tayo si Mr. Felipe. Felipe. For the inbound. 9 minutes 44 remaining. 56-37 score. Game blown away. Wide open now by Cass. Walter thinking 3. Wag muna raw. Walter pops up and one play made by Walter. Sweet shot. Grabe. Napaka-sweet naman nun. Parang walang net, walang ring na tumama. Okay, James Luz. Like the video. Maraming salamat po, Sir James. Mamaya po Mamaya po, Liquid with Papi Sauce sa aking Arduino G Vlogs channel. I-edit ko pa kasi to. Lalagyan ko pa kasi ng mga thumbnails pa para medyo maganda. Okay, ito po tayo yun. Number 41, may tangan ng bola. Matthias Sander. Number 15. Or MS for short. MS. Omas. Balbin, pops up, no good. Pops up again, no good pa rin. 41. Bader, Matthias, no good. Omas. Isa pa daw. Uy! Ayun, kay Balbin. Ay, naku. Matthias. Okay. Pa-shoutout na po, sabi ni Armando kay Otog, sir. Sino ba si Otog? James Armando, pa-shoutout na kay Otog. Baklaan, rebound, Felipe, power rebound. Power shot is good. 56-42. Marlon, palpal. Colanto, kinuha ang bola. And now to Mr. Felipe ang bola. Felipe to Baklaan. Baklaan pops up. Bang! 2 points. Back-to-back. Field goes now by Team Mechanicos. Now, Balbin. Marlon. May tangan ng bola against Walter. Omas driving strong. Ayun, sila na intercepted. Baklaan, sayang, walang pinasahan. Sorry daw, okay. Hindi napasa ng may kibaklaan. Kung napaan ko yun, nandun si Walter, dumatakbo na rin, papunta sa goal. Sino to? Floating shot, 2 points by number 41. Pops up, no good. Walter out. Substitution muna po para kay Talisik. Para kay Colanto. Quality minutes kay Mr. Colanto. Same ball, sabi ng referee. Same ball, sabi po ng referee. Teka lang, nagkakaroon sila ng consultation. Nagkakaroon ng konsulta po. Held ball situation. Okay. Cast ball. Bola po ng cast. Balbin for the inbound. Grabe, di pa. Balbin for the inbound. 7 minutes 18 remaining. Balbin. Matthias. Omas, palpal. 2 points. Omas, 2 points. Baklaan. Lumusot kay Marlon. Baklaan, power move, pops. Blocked by Mr. Matthias. Kick pass kay Marlon. Kapos. Talisik, Walter. Talisik. Felipe. And one play made by Felipe. 60-44, a 16-point lead been posted now by Team CAS over Mechanicos. Felipe shooting for the bonus free throw. Felipe, bonus free throw po tayo. It's in. Okay, 60-47. 13 lang po ang kalamangan po niyan ng Team CAS. Bakla ang binabanal si Matayas to Asinjo. And to Matayas or MS. Matayas na being double teamed. Now, Marlon. Hop! Stepping on the line. Si 41. Balik muli po sa team Mechanicos ang bola. Baseball pass kay Talisik, ayun kay Felipe. 2 points, Felipe. And timeout now called by Team CAS. The score is 60-49. 11 na po ang kalamangan ng CAS. Ganda na laban. Ganda nga na laban. Okay. So. Muli po tayo. Ayan, may mga comment na. Saying thank you po. Sige. Roldan inbounding. 6 minutes remaining to Mr. Sila. Roldan, may tayo ng bola. Wala na, buwasan lang to. Okay. Silva, triple teamed. Walang pinasahan si Silva. Sabi na, baseball pass again. Nakuha ni Bautista ang bola. Bautista. Nagmamadali ang Bautista. Bautista pops up. Yes, sirree. Holding foul called on Sila. Ari Sila called for the holding foul. Okay, balik muli po tayo ng Talisik for the inbound. 6-2-49 score. Baklaan. Talisik for 3. Malakas. Walter. Nice hustle play. 2 points, Walter. 2 points. 2 points pa miss of Walter. Number 4. Lumawag. Sila. Bautista again for 3. Kapos. Tumamas ang siring. Baklaan kay Walter. Walter thinking 3. Nope, ayaw niya. Baklaan sa ilalim. 2 points Baklaan. 2 points. Lost the ball. Talisik. Walter. Taking 3. Nope. Rebound secured by Mr. Roldan. Lumawag. 62-53. Lamang ng Siyam. Lumawag. Walang pinasahan. Palmares. Nagmamadire si Palmares. Up shot. Nope. Pasok ang bola kay Palmares. Hindi linis pang ring. Bautista. Malakas. Ayun. Foul. Walter called for a foul. Lumawag. Shooting for 2. Lamang na lang po ng 7 ang Team CAS. Timeout called by Team Mechanicos. Ang score po natin is 62-55. Lamang po ng 7 ang CAS. 3 minutes 48 remaining. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 shots awarded para kay Lumawag. Number 4. Lumawag shooting for the 2 shots. Parang nga 2 joints yun 2 shots. 2 shots tumawag, shooting for 2. First shot. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready, lumawag. Lumawag, pops up. Nope. Rebound. Pinasa, ayun, kay Matayas. Nice interception by Matayas. Double team already now. Nagtatrap pahiga po ngayon. Bautista. Bautista nakalusot. Foul. Foul sa ilalim. Count. Reaching foul para kay Talisik. And Matayas, MS for the inbound. Ayun na si Silva. Foul already also. Mga kinakala mag-penalty sila po na para tumingin yung time. 3-for-3 team fouls now for Team Mecanicos. And now Silva. Hoy! Lumawag, shooting for 2. Lumawag, first shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. You're watching now the last game for the day between Mecanicos and CAS. It's in. Okay, the score is 63-55. Laman po ng 8 ang Team CAS. Talisik. Okay. Talisik. Baklaan. Felipe ayun sa ilalim. Palmares, 2 points. Nice 2. 63-57. Number 4 reach. Number 4 called for a foul. Penalty situation. Team Mecanicos. Bautista shooting for 2. Felipe, 4 personal fouls. Warning for graduate. 2 minutes 55 remaining. 4th quarter action. Bautista. Pops up. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. 6 points na ang kalamangan ng Team CAS. Just to extend the lead to 7. Pops up. Nope. It's Felipe. Diba de Felipe? Nandun si Roldan. Call for a foul. Roldan. Nice interception. Bautista. Good ball. Uy! Who's pa rep? Foul number 1. Roldan. Two minutes 36 remaining. 2 minutes 36 remaining. 4th quarter action. Walter may tahan ng bola. Talisik, thinking 3. Wag mo na raw. Felipe. Down. Foul sa down. Foul po sa baba. Number 17, Talisik. Nope. It's number 4. Felipe. Nice! Uy, sa labas! Hindi pumasok agad. Ball coming. And now, kay Matayas, MS. Roldan. Foul! Just to stop the clock. Penalty situation, Team Mecanicos. Number 1, Roldan shooting for 2. 2 minutes 7 seconds remaining. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. Laman po ng 7 ang Team Cas. Second throw, pops up. Nope. Felipe naka-rebound. Felipe. Baklaan, Felipe. Intercepted. Foul again. Penalty situation still on Mechanicos. A minute and 57 remaining. Lumawag shooting for 2. Lumawag shooting for 2 po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Wala pareho. Rebound again by Tutalisik from Felipe. Foul. Matayas called for the foul. Both teams now in penalty. This should be a very, very long night. I believe so. Walter pops up. Nope. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Walter, second free throw. Jumpers ready. It's in. Lumawag. Inbounding. Bautista. Foul. Talisik. Penalty situation. Bautista shooting for 2. A minute and 46 remaining. Fourth quarter action. First shot. Kapos. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second shot. Wala. Rebound battle. Woy! Foul on Felipe. Sa cylinder. Who's foul rep? Who's foul? Okay, number 17. Number 8. Kapos. Second shot. Number 8, Felipe called for the foul. Second throw. Pops up. It's in. 64-58. 65-58 rather. 7 kalamangan. Walter. This guy play no good. One more time. Walter. Wala pareho. Aris. Not Aris, sorry. That's Silva. A minute and 26 remaining. Silva shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. It's Kapos. It's Kapos. Okay. Palmares, inbounding. Okay, pinasa na kay Felipe. Felipe thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Ayaw this guy play. Walter, wala pa rin. Foul. Walter called for the foul. Penalty situation still on team Walter, number 5. 5 personal fouls. Graduate. Colanto pumasok na para kay number 5. Roldan per shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo kay Roldan. Second free throw. Jumpers ready para kay Mr. Roldan. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle won by Felipe. A minute and 3 remaining. Foul. Colanto. Matayas Sander. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Jumper shot. A minute remaining. 66-58. Second throw. Lamang ng siyam. Pag na-shoot, pumasok. Lamang ng siyam po ang Cas. Lamang ng siyam po ang Cas. Baseball pass. Intercepted by Roldan. Foul. Talisik. Colant. Roldan, first shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. 55 seconds remaining. Pops up. It's out. Rebound. Lumawag. 2 points. Lumawag. 2 points. Talisik. Inbound. Receiving the ball. 52 seconds remaining. 45 seconds. Felipe for 3. Short. Colanto. 2 points. Old school. Roldan. Foul. 31 seconds remaining. 69-16 score. Pops up, Roldan, it's good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Yes, it's good. 31 seconds remaining, 7-16. Lamang po ng 11 ang Team Cas. Talisik, no good. Palmares. Kapos. Colanto. Wala pa rin. One more time. 2 points. Wala pa rin. 2 points, Colanto. 13 seconds. Okay, that's it. I think so. Okay, congratulations. And still, papasok sila as number 1. And still, wala pa rin talo. Team Cas. Okay, it's the final score, 71-62. Team Cas, panalo po sila. Nice game. Team Cas. Okay, family picture muna po bago tayo umuwi. Team Cas, maraming salamat po. Okay. Wag yung takpan ng score. Wag yung takpan ng score po. Wag yung takpan ng score. Thank you. Compress mo ng konti pati. Compress po. I-balancing niyo po siya. Thank you. Ayan. Okay, pamas. Team Cas now for sure number 1 sa quarterfinals. Okay, 9-0, wala pa rin talo. Okay, sino po ang sino pang POG? Richard daw. Okay, si Bautista. Okay. Okay, Richard Bautista. Okay, Mr. Richard. Kung ito, tara. Interview.
Ano ba ito, sir?
Interview. Lagyan mo sa ano mo. Okay, Mr. Richard, congratulations po sa'yo. And also na po masasabi po natin siya, mukhang talagang papasok sa quarterfinals sa wala pong talo. Parang manis pong stating nyo. And also, for sure, I think double, tries to beat at advance shot as number 1 po. Any word po talaga po. And also, what to expect now in the quarterfinals po against for sure yung mga kalaban nyo.
Kompleto kami sa
Yun, siya kinakalaban yun.
Kaya kung depende sir kung may mga lipad. Katulad ako, kakarating ko lang yung
May jet lag ka pa pala.
ng US.
Kan US.
Yan, magaling yung mga teammate ko sir.
Okay. O, sige, sir.
That's all.
Kinastalo. Ano tayo? Okay. Shoutout po. 1 minute. Sige. Ano pa? Armando daw. Sino? Nasa ka daw, Armando. Ano pa? Ano pa ikaw? Ano? Oh, Mr. Alice, may sinasabi ka?
Sapatos ko bebenta.
Ah, nagbebenta ng sapatos. Okay, Silva, any word, Mr. Silva?
Shoutout kay Armando.
Armando, hinahanap ka raw rito. Oh. Oh.
Happy birthday, Tatay Tigo.
Okay, happy birthday kay Tatay Digong daw. Okay, maraming salamat po. Sige, sir. Oh, Mr. Roldan.
Thank you, Sir Arvin, sa coverage. Shout out.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you rin po. Okay, this... Ayan si Omas.
Shout out, Isa.
Oh, Isa, hinahanap ka rito. Hinahanap ka rito, Mr. Isa.
Isa, dalawa eh.
Shoutout Justin.
Okay, Justin din. Uy. Mano tayo? Kawawa. Mano sa ano, sa Facebook. Mano tayo, delikado. Okay, ito po ang Team Cast po. Again, tomorrow po, meron po tayong final game for the final games po tayo para sa ating regulation. That will be Team Airport United versus Team Contact Center. And of course, ang final game po is Team Cast versus Team Gas naman po. Will po, maraming salamat sa inyo. And also, good video po. Kawin na po kayo bago kayo umuwi. And with congratulations po. And still, ang blemish po sila. Papasok sa quarterfinals ang Cast. 3, 2,